Okay, friends, this is Barbara, and I am back with another crock-pot meal, and this is going to be turkey chowder. So I had some turkey left after Christmas. Don't want it to go to waste, so this is what I'm going to do with that turkey. So this turkey is already cooked, okay? We're going to start with 2 cups of turkey. It's already cooked. 1 cup of diced celery. 1 cup of diced celery. 1 cup of diced onion. I'm throwing in a can of carrots. I did not have fresh, but I had a can. Okay, and then 2 cups of potato. 1 can of corn. All right, then we're going to be moving in with some seasonings. Okay, teaspoon, parsley. Okay, there's 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoons parsley. Now we got the basil. Okay, and for the basil, okay, I gotta open the lid, be patient. We're gonna do one teaspoon of basil. All right, and then we have some thyme. We're just gonna do 1/4 teaspoon of the thyme. 1/4, perfect. Okay, and then we are going to have to put in 4 cups of chicken broth. Perfect. 4 cups of chicken broth. Or if you have any turkey broth left from your turkey, that too will also work. Okay, moving over to the pepper. Pepper. And here just a little bit of salt. And pop on the lid. I'm going to put this on high for 4 hours. You could put it on low for 8 hours if you choose. Okay, here we are now at the point to where this is 30 minutes before it's done. Okay, just gonna move that right over there. 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. You're gonna mix that together because we need to thicken this up. Perfect. And then what we need is 1 cup of heavy cream. And yep, this is what I have. Let's pour that in there. And then we're going to stir it. We're going to go ahead and continue to cook this for 30 minutes, okay? And that's when this will be done. Because we want this to be creamy. All right, popping the lid back on. See you in 30 minutes. And it is ready. It is boiling away. See, but that's the consistency. Look how chunky that is. Nice. Nice and creamy. Oh, yeah. This is going to be really good. Yeah, that looks pretty darn good. And you know, you can do this with chicken too. I was just gonna like taste it just a little bit. Okay, great. So this is what I'm getting from it. It's got from the corn, it's got a nice little sweet taste to it. Just slightly. It's not like candy, okay? I really think that you may like this. Okay, friends. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Okay, friends. Keep on cooking. Love you, friends.